Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix monitor going black randomly. Turns off and on, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings and then go to Windows Update and make sure your operating system is up to date. Same with your GPU as well. Go to Device Manager, then go to Display Adapters, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. If you have like NVIDIA or AMD or something like that, go directly to the app. Go to NVIDIA app, and then here go to drivers and then install drivers from here if there is some for you. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to go and search and then write edit screen or screen saver, change screen saver. Then make sure that you do not select any of the screensavers here, and then you need to apply the settings. Then what you need to do here is to go to edit power plan. Then as you can see here, go to power options and then select press on change plan settings in what plan that is selected, and then select here to never apply the changes. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.